Are you a thief of gourds?
Do you steal gourd? Magic's on. Oh my God. Here we come. Here we come. Coming. Wait a second. Wait for Daddy. What do you got here? You're a thief of gourds and pumpkins. You steal pumpkins and gourds from people after Halloween. Give it back. You're a pumpkin stealer. Give it to me. Give it. No. Wait a second. Where'd you go? Get it. Get it. Get it. Hey, who's got the gourd? Who's got a gourd? Who's got a gourd? Get it. Where's that gourd? Here she comes. You got it. What happened? Time out. Time out. Okay, time in. Where's your gourd? Get it. Get it. Get it. Get the gourd. Get the gourd. Oh, you got it. You got it. I got a gourd and a pumpkin. You got a whole patch.